How to get started Monday.com step by step 2024. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Monday.com and how you can get started right away in a step by step procedure. Now, first of all, to use Monday.com for yourself, make sure to check the link down in the description below to access it right away. And once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and create a free account for you. Now, once it has done that, over here, it's going to bring you to this home section where it's going to ask you to create a workspace. So I'm going to go ahead and add a workspace. So once we do that, we're going to click on add. So here's your new workspace. So to get started off on it, you're going to click on add from templates. Okay, so this gives you templates for different types of things. So I want to add a template for project management and I want agile project management. So once you do that, it says use template, which is exactly what you're going to do. So you're pretty much halfway there. You've pretty much done most of the work by creating and adding a template for yourself. Now, you don't necessarily have to use every single item and widget in this template because you can choose to add your very own details. That is what the main idea of a template is. So let's say I'm going to change these to coding. Let's change to design, and let's go ahead, change this to testing, and let's change this to deploy. So as you can see, I have created my very own groups. Now, once I've created my groups, I can add my own tasks as well in these groups. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add write Node.js. Then you can move over to the next task, and we're going to go ahead and add write PHP for back end. So, add in all these details for yourself. And just like this, you can slowly change the template for yourself and add your very own details. And again, to use these immaculate features for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to create a free account right away with Monday.com. Now, once we have done that, what's going to happen from here on out is you can go ahead and change your views as well. You can add your very own priorities to your tasks. So let's say I want it on high priority. You can choose domain. So this is going to be for the developers tier. Let's say I'm going to go with free trial. You can also define the scope or you can work on it as you go on. Then there's different timelines that you can work with and so much. So, choose the settings according to yourself. You can also add multiple lists into multiple columns. You can also change your views, by the way, which is one of the best features that Monday.com provides you. So let's say at any point I want to switch from table to another view. I'm going to come here, click on Kanban, and as you can see, it allows me to change views. And you can add your very own views as well by clicking on Add View and add any of these views for yourself from table, Gantt, chart, to even forms or blank. So you can see that this is how Monday.com works, and it's pretty easy to get yourself started off on it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to check the link down in the description below to start yourself off with Monday.com right away on a free account. So that's pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.